today is like really bringing people to Thamesmead, which is on the outskirts of London, on the border of Kent. It's great to bring people to this area to show them it, but also discuss the pressing issues of housing, artists, precarious living.
Today's an opportunity for the artists and members of the community to come together and discuss the future of Thamesmead, which we hope will include some self-building. Historically, the community has been very self-organised from day one, and the assembly today is something that I see in that tradition.
I came along first of all because I was curious about Thamesmead. I've got a friend who lives here and have only visited a couple of times. I wanted to see what Beaux Arts were doing here and to hear views about how artists can stay in London, because it's becoming increasingly difficult.
This lakeside centre has a lease of 30 years, so we also want to build our lives here, and this is what this exhibition that's currently on talks about. Other models of long-term housing for artists as part of the Thamesmead Peabody 30-year plan.
I think the audience participation has been vital, so the questions that come in at the end or during the conversation have been really inspiring, and they've given voice to a lot of the concerns that people have in London.
Artists have always been a trigger mechanism for colonising new spaces, but they're actually the sharp end of a process of gentrification. They have to take responsibility for that.
I particularly enjoyed the last session, how towards the end of that session we started to unearth some of the sort of almost like the elephants in the room about what we're really here today to talk about, I think. So it was good.